guys, my side hustle people, it's me again. If you guys see me wearing the same shirt that I was wearing from that last video, it's because I'm making these videos the same day. So I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing for Mother's Day. I am projected to make at least $450 tomorrow. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, by delivering these to people's houses. So this is like a seasonal thing that I do for either Mother's Day or Valentine's Day and stuff like that. So remember I told you guys, you know, how important it is to be part of Facebook groups. So the towns that are around you, you can always join these Facebook groups, and then you can post the things that you're doing there. So what I'm going to do, well, what I did was, you know how men they waste time and they wait for the last minute to do stuff. So yeah, these are the people that I'm going for, because they're desperate. They have no idea. They're like last minute, and they're like, oh my god, what am I gonna give my wife, the mother of my kids? Oh my god, what am I gonna give my mom? Here you are. You can have this delivered to your mom, to your wife, to the mother of your kid. And that's a last minute thing, and they're like, oh my god, thank you so much. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys quickly how I do it. So the things that I got them from Party City and Dollar Tree, my favorite places. Michael's my favorite place too, but Dollar Tree, you get stuff for $1. So you need balloons. These are bigger balloons. These are 12 to 13 inches balloon. And you need small balloons. These are small ones. These are actually 9 inches. The balloons, I bought them at Party City. You need pump. That pump, I got it also from Party City. You need artificial flowers, which I got from Dollar Tree. You need ribbons, Dollar Tree. You need these. Oh my god. These, the foil balloons, Dollar Tree, all $1, and you need those two. These, okay, here's the packaging. I got that from Target, but depending on what Party City do carry them too, it's because the one that I went to, they were out of stock, so I had to go to Target to grab them. These are like little dots of glue that are used for balloons, so you can get your flowers stuck to your balloons, because you don't want to make your stuff and then, you know, they're like falling off. It has to kind of look professional, you know what I mean? So okay, so let's start. I'm going to tell you guys what to do. It's pretty easy. It's very easy for you to do. So your big balloons, you're going to pump 14 times in them. And your small balloons, you're going to pump 3 times, 3 to 4 times. Okay, so you need a total of 4, 8, 12. A total of 12 balloons. 4 small ones and 8 big ones. So let's get started. I'm gonna pump the balloons and I'll be back to show you guys the next step. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm just gonna pump the last big balloon. Like I said, 13 pumps. 13. And you tie it, of course. And then for the small balloon, remember 3 to 4 pumps, but I do 3. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 4. I do 4. There you are. So we're going to tie, because depending on the color that you want to do, I'm doing the small thing, the small quad. They're called quad. Yellow and white. So we're tying the yellow, we're pulling the head, and then we're tying these two together. So we're tying these together, and you're tying that together. You need 4 of them to form a quad. So let's do a quad right now so you guys know what to do. So you take these two together. See? And you put them together. And then you take one of the balloons and you twist it all around the other one next to it. So you twist and you twist, and then boom, you have a quad. It looks like this. And then you put it there. So you take your big balloons. I'm doing purple with white together. So you attach them together. Oops, sorry. Attach them together. And then I'm doing green and blue. You attach that together, which gives you, and you put them together to do a quad. Again, put them here, and then you twist one, get it together like that, and then you twist the side balloons like this, so it can attach together. You do it a couple of times until it's secure, and you sit it down, and you have your quad. All right, here you go. I'm going to continue doing the quads, and then we'll see you. All right, guys. We can use, to attach the balloons together, we can always use these balloons. They are called 260 balloons, but because we're doing Dollar Tree type stuff, I got these ribbons from Dollar Tree for $1, and we can attach the balloons with that. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a knot at the base of the balloon. Okay, I've got to show you guys. This is what your knot is going to look like. You see it? This is the knot. You just attach it to the edge of the balloon so it can stay secure. And then you're just going to attach the balloons with this. Need to find a way to show you guys how the balloons are going to be attached. Okay, so here, and you attach the balloon, the next quad, like this, and then you're going to take the ribbon, and then you're going to wrap it around the balloons up and down. Just wrap it around each balloon up and down. Make sure it's tight, up and down. Real tight. We're gonna try that again, but I'm gonna make sure that I show you guys really well how I do it. Okay, we're attaching the third quad. Just this one. We're putting it right on top of this small quad. And we're pulling the ribbon and we wrap it around the balloon down. Make sure we hold it down around the, see how I'm wrapping it around the green balloon down. Wrap it around the little quad, one of the balloons down. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be, it's any of the balloons that you find. Just wrap and wrap and wrap. Do that a couple of times. tight. And keep wrapping. You can always wrap it from the bottom all the way down and top as many times as you like to make sure that it's tight and secure. Boom. Boom, boom. And you got it. And you can always leave a little space, well, little string, so that you can attach the foil balloon on top of it. So for your balloon, you can use this pump to pump it. Here's a foil balloon I'm gonna use. So they have like that little thing that you can stick the pump in. Just make sure you stick it all the way in so that, whoopsies, so that you can pump this whole thing up. And I'll be back to show you guys how to attach this. Hey guys, I'm back. Here's your balloon quad, or your balloon arrangement, right? So we're putting air in the top part of the balloon, which we are going to attach to here. So let's finish putting air in this. Let's go. Here you go. Let's attach it now. Honestly, we don't even need that extra string that we left. We can just cut that out because we're going to use the string that came with this balloon. So we're going to attach it right on top of it. And do that same thing that you did with the string. Just attach it around. Wrap it around, balloons. See, wrap it around. As many times as you want. And then you can just get rid of the excess. So you need scissors. And then boom. There you go. So we attached, everything we're done with the balloon part. Now we're going to attach the flowers. So I have a bunch of them cut already. So you're gonna need this type of cutter because these flowers, they have a wire inside of them that you need something like that. The scissors are not going to cut it. So here it's the, so you just cut it. Any length really. I have some of them bigger, longer than others. It doesn't really matter. I've used 3 of these individual, flower bouquets or whatever. And the next thing I did is I made sure to put one of these glues at the end, because the wire is kind of sharp and we don't want that wire to pop the balloon. So to stop that, I put the little glue at the bottom of it, and then just take that plastic part, and then the glue will stay here. And you just kind of like go like.
My point is to close these holes between the balloons. Make it look cute and nice. My phone's always buzzing. I'm getting messages and emails and stuff. Facebook stuff. Yes? Hello, baby. How you doing? I'm doing balloon stuff. As you can see. Right?
You can put even two together to make it full. And we're about to put the ribbons. Bye-bye. So how do you put the ribbon? I just attach them just like around the balloon to the center. And let's see how it falls out. Oh, okay. How do you feel about that? But you guys get it, right? And whatnot. And that's it.